There may be some confusion over border-free or borderless printing, so let's go through the steps. In this example, I'm going to print to the P5370 using the Epson driver in Photoshop. The final size of this particular image is 24 by 16. When printing a horizontal image, also known as a landscape, it is critical to rotate it 90 degrees for borderless printing on all four sides. Now go into print settings. There are page sizes you can use, or you can create your own custom page size. When creating a custom page size, make sure the width is the same width as the media you are using. Once the page size is created, choose Printer Options, Print Settings, Page Setup, Roll Paper Borderless Auto Expand. Next, choose Page Layout Settings and choose Normal Cut, Single Cut, or Double Cut. For the most precise cut, choose Double Cut. It's best to start with the borderless expansion setting of Standard. If needed, choose the Min or Max setting.